Ashish Kumar Chauhan, as you said, joining us. Ashish Kumar ji, from all of us at NDTV Profit, wish you a very, very happy Diwali. What does this festival mean for you? You've been associated with the stock markets for so long. You've seen physical trading as well. What does it mean for you?
No, it's basically this is the biggest festival or biggest day for all stock market participants. Many people don't know that the Diwali is sort of the last day of a Vikram Samvat. The next day is the new year, and so most of the people who follow Vikram Samvat they close their books today and open a new book, and that's why it's called Murat Ka Sauda, because what you trade today is settled next year. And that's why all people who are from western region of India who follow what we call Vikram Samvat, and so the new year is tomorrow. And in a way, today is also Diwali, where Bhagwan Ram came back to Ayodhya, but it's also the day when Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth, was also born today. So it's many things, but the stock markets for many years, the symbol of the stock market in India was Mahalakshmi.
Yes.
And that's where too many things happened. Even NSE on November 3, 1994 started on Diwali day.
Yes.
And that's why so many mixed feelings continue in all our minds. Many people say that you need to give holiday. But this is the day we worship Lakshmi, and what better than doing it at NSE.
Yeah, what better, right? And a lot of people know this about you, but I'm still going to inform those that don't. You've actually told my colleague when she interviewed you that if you hadn't been in the stock markets, you might just have been a monk. I saw the puja earlier. I was in the back, and you were very familiar with everything that was going on. In fact, you were speaking along with the Panditji. This tradition, of course, is something that you bring to the table every year. What specifically stood out in the many Diwalis that have gone past? Is there one that you remember fondly?
No, November 3, 1994 was the first show for NSE, and we were not in this building. We were in Mahindra Towers at Worli in Mumbai, and we had kept. We did not have the satellite telecom installed. We had just started on that day itself, but we had kept 100 brokers to trade from the offices of NSE.
Yeah.
We had kept 100 computers, and all of them came. Some of them tried to place orders. It was the first day, and one of them made a mistake.
Oh God!
And he lost like 3-4 lakhs of those days. It would have been like today's probably 4 or 5 crores in one single trade. And then he came rushing down to my office saying, "Now you need to save me, cancel the trades." And so there are many such stories of our lives which are more. We are the administrative people. We don't make money, neither we lose money, but we try to provide the services, and that it continues uninterrupted for the markets, and that's what the entire occasion is all about.
Yeah, what a story, thinking back to something that has happened over 30 years back. But when you look at how things are right now in October of 2025 and 5 years after COVID-19, did you anticipate the kind of explosion in participation that you've seen in the stock markets? And where do you see things going in the next year, 2 years, 5 years? You see the crores of individuals that are currently trading. What are the volumes that you anticipate?
No, in a way, when we went into COVID, we had probably 30 million unique investors, 3 crore. Today we have 12 crore unique investors, 23.5 crore accounts at NSE. So it's like 4 times in last 5 years. It was not expected. The video KYC is what created this explosion of interest, and also allowing people to come into the markets easily. Due to the COVID, when we couldn't do physical KYC, but it was allowed on video. I think that is the change that happened. And of course, the mobile, ubiquitous mobile in everyone's hands. So broadly speaking, for me, the story of last 11 years after Mr. Modi took over is about India becoming more middle class.
Right.
And so when Mr. Modi took over, there were 1.6 crore unique investors. Today, 12 crore unique investors. 3 crore women, 9 crore males, 9 crore households. 1/4 of India, that is 25% of India now, invest through NSE, which is a very large number even from the world standards. And today we have investors in all pin codes, 19,400 odd pin codes, except 28 pin codes in the country. Literally, I have people in Ladakh who are investing as of now we are talking. I have people in Andaman Nicobar as of now trading. I have people in Dwarka on the west side, and I have people in Arunachal Pradesh trading. Everywhere you go, you see NSE on your screen, on your mobile, right? And so NSE and Nifty are there as a part of your life every day, every moment.
Yeah. So fantastic, and it's only going higher. Let's end with a quick rapid fire, okay? Where do you see the Nifty 50 in 5 years?
No, I think in some ways I don't trade nor.
Of course,
but for me, I have seen Nifty when I started Nifty in '95, the base of 1,000, November 3, '95. 1 year after NSE started. Today it's 25,000, 26,000.
Yeah.
In 30 years, it has given 26 times returns, but also the dividends.
Yes.
It would be 30,000. So effectively, every 5 years, it has doubled, right?
Yeah.
And that's what many people try to predict. The Nifty will be this, that, but their ambitions are too low, right? India is going to grow. Nifty is going to grow going forward.
So two more questions. One, what is your favorite Diwali sweet?
I mean, I like Kaju Katli, but I like every sweet. So that's why I'm diabetic.
Okay, I'm glad. Okay. And one last question. Advice to a trader on Diwali heading into new Samvat.
Be investors to the extent possible. Don't be traders. Buying in the morning and selling in the afternoon. Unless you are expert, don't try to do it. You have other work. If you don't know how to sort of study all these things, try to go through mutual funds or a portfolio manager or a financial advisor. Like you don't try to do sort of medicine yourself. If you have, you don't try to do this yourself if you are not an expert.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, and wish you a very happy Diwali from all of us.
Happy New Year.
And with that, it's back to you in the studio.